no. Đấy. Hello? Hello? Ok không? Ok. Door. Oh. Hi, magic. Hello. Welcome to Total. This flower last time we together to learn expansion, and actually a flower not just can for work. We hope we can work and also a happy work. So at least even a magic. Hey, bye bye. Hey. Okay. So today we'll continue the Cordless tools. We know today's topic, Cordless, limitless. Before we enter our topic, today's topic, we'll come back to last time to a quickly review. These items, this bag, toast bag, vacuum cleaner. Last time we learned its function. This vacuum cleaner, take off and yes, flower and polystyrene. Okay. Brushes, rotary hammer, angle grinder, and jigsaw. Last time we share the unique experience of these items. All these items belong to our 20-volt platform, P20S platform. They can share the same battery to save cost for us. Okay. New dust. Flower cleaning outside. Have 3 level adjustable. 1, 2, stronger, and 3. And also, if we work at some narrow space, we can rotate to change 1 position, 2 position, and a third position. This is the blower. Rotary hammer, very powerful. With the handle, rotate 360 degree. Brushless motor, durable. You can use it drill, hammer drill, and breaker. Okay. Angle grinder, also very popular item. Rotary hammer, same battery. Jigsaw, cut wood, cut metal. Last time we do a test to cut steel bar about 16 milli. You can cut wood and metal, just change the different blade, use the same machine. And last, the most popular item called the drill. We can drill, also can drive a screw. So this quickly review of last time will share the information about our cordless tools. Actually, in our P20 platform, not only these 6 items, we have even more. And today our topic is cordless, limitless. So cordless is not only P20 platform. We also have another 12 watt platform, and also have 8 watt or 4 watt cordless tools. Later we'll share more items one by one. Okay. Just keep the battery. Okay. First, before we introduce other cordless tools, we'll do a test. In our daily work, very popular work is for the carpenter to cut wood. Before we cut wood, normally we use circular saw, like this one. So firstly, we cut the wood with the circular saw. This one is not cordless. It's not cordless with the cord. So if we use this, first we should find a socket. But today this place no any socket. Oh, here I have one socket. But this socket is not enough outlet. So if I want to use this, we must pull out this plug, and our TV stopped working. Anyway, working first. So okay, plug in and extend the cable. Okay. Cut the wood. Oh. Not only, even we found a socket, but the cable is not enough. For our total circular saw, already with standard length cord, it's about 2 meters. But for today work, because from here to here is more than 2 meters. So even I found this socket, I cannot finish my work. How can I do? First, please help me, give me one socket extension. Socket, okay. So normally, what do we choose? Only use. We need another extend socket to help us. Okay, now, yeah, the length is enough. We can cut. Okay, start. So noise. Okay. First we cut. Use this circular saw. It's a very popular tools for carpenter. And I think another tools very popular also. Okay. A drill also very popular. A drill. We can use it drill a hole also more than 2-meter cord, but still cannot from there. We also need the help of this. Okay. Good. Okay. We need like this. We need like this. And I think after a drill, also more for carpenters, a jigsaw also use the appropriate. So if a carpenter want finish his work, he must have a circular saw, a jigsaw, a drill, and a sander even more. So now a jigsaw. Okay, a jigsaw. Also. Need a jigsaw to cut special line. Also, 2 meter is the standard length. After we cut the wood, the surface is very rough, so also need this sander to polish the surface. So till now, we already choose 4 items, 4 cord tools, traditional tools, cord tools. Finish sander. To stand the surface. If we need to do another work, maybe we need more tools. But at this time, let's check. Already, so many plug. Even we want, if now I need cut, use the angle grinder. Here all is full. I need to stop this work, or stop jigsaw, or stop others. Otherwise, I cannot use the angle grinder. It means we cannot work at the same time. Not only me. Today, many work is finished by team. All these tools, different people use, but only one socket. It's not enough. I need waiting. And we can see 7 cords. When I work, if somebody go around, maybe trip him down. Maybe trip him down. So the cord tools, traditional cord tools, was limited. We cannot teamwork together many items, and was limited because of the power source. The electricity we must find a socket, and even we find a socket, the cable length also limited us. But change. I'm thinking now. Okay. Same. If circular saw, and jigsaw. That day, last time we already showed jigsaw, and also the sander, and all items, more items we can work at the same time. Just use directly. work. Okay. One for screw, one cutting wood, one for ironwork, finishing all this. Okay. No limitless. Even I cannot find electric socket, or the cable is not short or long. No any problem. We no need limitless. Okay. So today we'll continue to share more experience about our cordless tools. Till now already have more than 120 friends, followers watching our live show. Thanks your coming with us. And also please help me to share our link with the friends. Okay, so now one by one to share more cordless items. Firstly, circular saw. Circular saw, very popular items for carpenter. Very important. This one, the capacity already reach 55 millimeter. The depth we can cut more than 50. Maximum is 55 millimeter. For example, this one is about 40. We can cut it easily. We do a test. Very easy. Efficiency. And the functions same as the cord circular saw. We can adjust the base, the bottom base, to cut for special degree cut. The maximum can reach 45 degree, like this, to cut. Once we use a circular saw, we must start the machine firstly. After the running speed reach the maximum, then close to the materials. Not first close the materials and then start. So firstly, start. And we know a circular saw is a dangerous tools. So we have this switch, safety switch, lock off switch for safety. If you only directly push the button, it cannot start. To ensure our two hand already at a safe place, and press and push this safe button, then we can start the machine. Okay. This is the 45 degree cutting, and also we can adjust the depth, cutting depth. Just now I mentioned the maximum cutting depth is 55 millimeter. But sometimes we don't want to cut so deep. Even we don't want to cut the cut the materials off. We just want to cut a special depth. So at this time, we can adjust the depth. Loosen this first, and then adjust this to adjust the part. So we can adjust the cutting depth. For example, now we adjust like this, then lock. When we cut, this not cut off. If we want to cut a groove, but not cut off this part down, okay. Press. Then cut. Even we go through, but not cut off all, and cut another line, then we take a special groove, special depth groove. Okay. Till now already about 400 friends support us. Are watching the live show. Thanks friends, and especially thanks friends from Pakistan. Every time you come to support us, thanks a lot, and thanks all the friends come to join us. Okay. This is about the circular saw. We use the same battery as same as last time we showed that you saw the rotary hammer and the cordless drill, because they are one same platform products. Okay, this is about the circular saw. Also, for cut wood, we have another machine. This one, the circular saw, we use this blade and change the blade is very quickly. No need any tools. Tool sticks, just twist, and then just okay, already fixed. This one also a dangerous tool, so the switch, also safe switch, we must press firstly, and then this one, the capacity can cut, the depth is more than 115 millimeter. It's suitable for cut a very the dips, the thick materials. For circular saw, it's suitable for cut long and direct materials. For this one, suitable for cut, the depth is very big material. So now we'll show function. We can cut 115 millimeter with this one, and also after we change the blade, this blade for metal, we also can use this to cut a steel bar. The maximum capacity is 8 millimeter. We can cut 8 millimeter steel bar. Okay. Use the same battery. Thanks for friends joining us, and we want to share more. We want more friends can share the experience with us. So please help us to follow and share Total page. Okay, this is the receipt saw. Wood blade, the teeth is less, and metal blade. Use the same machine for different materials. Change quickly. Okay. No limited, not only wood but also metal. So Cordless, limitless, this. Okay. And after that, just now we already showed for the carpenter. After we cut, then we should finishing sander. So this one, same battery, one hand palm, very efficient, very easy to use, to handle. Thanks friends from Malaysia. Share this live show. Thanks. Okay. Let's use the sandpaper. Okay. Very convenient. Actually, I remember in this package have one the box 那个彩盒子吧，纸盒 yes. This machine in the package together with the dust bag, collection bag. We can put here. Not so much dust. Okay. This part already, yeah, it's to use this. Very convenient. The rotate speed reach to 10,000. So this is the sander. Maybe sometimes have some misunderstanding. Some friends want to use this as a polisher. Actually, polisher and the sander, the big difference is about the speed, rotating speed. This one is 10,000 per minute, 10,000 RPM. This is a polisher. A polisher, the speed is slower, is less than a sander. If you use a sander as a polisher, maybe damage the surface of your car, of the floor, damage the surface. So choose the right tools for your right work. This one is polisher. You see this. This accessories can change. Okay. Use this for your cars. Polisher. Okay. Use the same battery. And this one. First we use the motor. It's brushless motor. brushless motor, before we already introduced, it save the power, save the energy. So the same battery, if we use brushless motor, it can use longer time for one-time charge. And another is brushless motor, no brush, so no need maintenance. No need maintenance. So the lifetime also longer than normal normal motor. And this one, the switch, use electronic control, off, on. After first step to 1, and then the speed is adjustable, a variable speed. Now it's slowly. We can adjust the speed. The speed. Now is the maximum speed. If we need reduce the speed, just minus. Okay, minus. Even now, already the low speed, but he has not stop work. If we want to stop, okay, stop. Braking is like this. So just now we introduced the motor, brushless motor, and controlled electronic design. And this two-hand control, more comfortable. This one is a polisher. The speed is lower too much than this. The maximum speed is about 4,000, just half, less than half of a sander. So if we choose polisher, don't use this. Don't use the sander. Okay. And also today we'll introduce more items, not only for carpenter. Just now this one, polisher, we can use it for our cars. This one also for our car's tire, for the tires of our cars. This one use battery, same battery. And here have the gauge, show the pressure. This one, the maximum pressure can reach 150 psi. It means about 10 bar, more than 10 bar. Let's show. Okay, this. If we go outside, and unfortunately, our car tire like this. We cannot always waiting other people to help us. If we have one, then now we can easily solve this problem. Now this pressure is not enough. We use this to help us. Okay. Lock. You can see now. Here is the pressure. Already, the pressure more than 2 bar. Already high pressure now. So this very helpful for us once some sometimes the tire lose the pressure. It can help us too much. And not only for the tire, but also with more nozzles. This one can use for balloon or for our air bag, pneumatic bag. We also can use. So now, right here. Sometimes we maybe we make a party or celebration. We need some some balloon to decoration. So now we can use this one. Total. Okay. Okay. Oh, total. And also, it has some strongmen, some friends. They like to play football. I think basketball or football. Sometimes we also need this for our balls. Awesome. Okay. And this is for our bicycle. For bicycle. So for cars, balls, bicycle, and for the pneumatic bag. So many times we can use we can use this air compressor, and it just need the battery, no limited for the cable or for the electricity, just with our battery. And one battery we can use for a long time. Okay. This one. This is the air compressor, and actually we also have more items. For example, this one. This one is our another air compressor. Compare with this one. This one is automatically. It means we can preset the pressure before we start. We can preset the pressure, and then okay, we can preset. Now is 0 psi, and we also can change the unit. Just now it's psi, and now it's bar, and this is kippa psi bar. So if after we set the unit, and then we can set the pressure. For example, now is 2.1 bar. After we set, then we can start. This one we need control by menu, by ourselves. After we see the pressure already reach the design pressure, then we stop by ourselves, control by ourselves. This one automatically. After we preset, then we start. The pressure continues up. Once the pressure reach what we preset, then it will stop. Stop. And the pressure increase. And once reach the pressure to preset, stop automatically. Okay. Easy to use and precision. Okay. Another is this one. Here have an LED light. If very unfortunately our cars is broke down at night, at this time, this light be very helpful for us. This light. Okay. And this one, we not only can use it as an air compressor, we also can use as a suction actuator. It can actuate the air from this side. Okay, and also with these three nozzles, same as this one. So for air compressor, we have two. Take off the battery. Okay. This is for cars. Firstly for carpenter, and then for cars. And now this one, sprayer. This for paint. And for now, a very special time. Also, many our customers use this to spray the to anti the COVID-19. Okay, spray gun. Not so big noise. Okay, and this one also easy to clean. We can detach them this part and clean. After we use, we can clean easily, not damage the machine body, not damage the part. Here have button. Connect very easy, and then can work. So cordless tools for us not only just now this item. Actually, we have more items. So. Not as before. Before we know, if we talk about the cordless tools, many we just know a cordless drill. But now we know we have more items. Almost we have the machine same as the traditional cord tools. So the use already no limited also. Once before we have tools with cord. Now almost we have the cordless one. No limited. And also have another advantage of cordless tools is compared with traditional cord tools. In work is use the battery. The voltage is only 20 watt. It's safe. But if we use the cord tool, we know this one, the voltage for many countries, the voltage is 220. So sometimes maybe have electric shock. It's dangerous. But for 20 watt, this one, no this problem. We can do a test. We can do a test to show the safety of the cordless tools. 帮我把那个拿进来，那个水槽拿进来。Okay. We do a test. This test is not for the function. 水呢？里面的水呢？ Okay. No problem. Firstly, we also can show this. Okay. We can use a cordless drill. We can use a cordless drill to we can do a test with the cordless drill. Chị Đoan là 怎么才这么点水？赶快！Okay. They are preparing the testing materials. So during this time, we can share more items, cordless tools. In this bag also have other more cordless tools. This bag, very nice. And in the water, no problem. No problem. Okay, here have more cordless tools. This one, work light. Use the same battery. One battery can use, if you use this 4 ampere, this is 4 ampere hour battery, it can use 24 hours. 再做，加上大。This one, 4 ampere hour battery can use 24 hours. And even this one, 2 ampere hour, this small one, it can use 12 hours. 2 ampere hour battery, it can use 12 hours. Operating very easy. And the head and the tit. It's not just a flashlight. If a flashlight, we know a flashlight. Note this button. So if it's just a flashlight, it's like this. If we work, we just can put like this. If we want to up with other direction, it cannot. But use this one. We can put like this and here. It's a really work lamp. Okay. Maybe somebody will ask me, why you can only rotate this? Why cannot a big range? This only 90 degree. Why not is 180 degree? Actually no need. This one is very easy. If you need for this side, just 10 run is enough. This is the flashlight. Okay. Okay, now on. We'll do a test. Just now I talk about we talk about the safety of the cordless tools. Cordless. One is, I think maybe some friends before already watching some video of some brands. They said they want to prove their quality. Then they do the test, use the water to see our products is good quality. Even some water slip on, put on it, it can work properly. But actually today I do this test. I just to tell to let our friends know this actually it's not about the quality. It's about the safety. Compared with the traditional cordless, the voltage is 220. It's dangerous, but this one only 20 volts. When we use the traditional tools, we always need to keep the hand is dry and clean, not wet. If wet, it's easy catch electric shock. But this one, 20 volts, no problem. Even we put it in water, no electric shock. And also not damage the tool. This now only the top. Let's continue more and more and more and more. Already inside. And no electric shock. No electric shock. No electric shock. After we take it out, it can work properly. And no dangerous. No dangerous. So this one, actually, it's just for safety, not for quality. Because the 20 volt, even you put in the water, no short circuit, no electric shock. This is just a test. It's not a properly using way. The properly using way is always keep your machine is dry and clean. Don't do this too much. Today we just for test to prove cordless tools is safety. So we do this test, not for using. Okay. Okay. The motor, the inside have some metal and also have a second board. So if the water inside, even now it can work, but have some influence also. So just now I mentioned, don't use like this, always use like this. Today we just do a test. After the test, we'll clean the waters immediately. Otherwise, it will rust or something. Influence his lifetime. And also, if the water, especially, we should protect the battery. Even just now, I don't put the battery inside water. The motor no problem, but the battery, we should protect it very carefully. Okay. This can take a, please help me. Just now, we already opened this bag. So we have a quick view of other cordless tools. cordless tools, not only for carpenter, not only for paint, for the cars, but also some electrician also can use. This is small screwdriver. This is screwdriver. It's gonna rotate. Use like this, screwdriver. Okay. This also how to use, very good choice. Not a hammer. But today we'll especially introduce this not so familiar items for normal brand. Other brands I think maybe don't have this, but it's also very useful item. Firstly, we'll introduce this, and then for this tube. This is the glue gun. Need time for heating. So firstly, we shoot. Okay, this is the glue. Okay, we just turn on and put here for 1 minute. And this one also. This iron, electric iron for welder. Also need time heating. Okay. Put here for 1 minute. Okay. Now we introduce this one. What's this? It's just a plastic or have some special function. Of course, not just a plastic. We know when we go out for work, now more and more people use a smartphone. On the smartphone, the power, lack of power often. So if we have this one, we no need worry about that. This battery can change to a power bank. Use this same battery for our tools. If we don't work, or we have another battery, okay, use this connect like this, and then connect the cable of the phone. Okay, turn on. You can see already charging. So now our phone will never lack of power, lack of energy. Okay, this is the adapter. Change our tools battery to a power bank. It's very useful. If you are a boss, a shop owner, I think sometimes use this to promotion, very helpful, because your customer already buy the tools. They already have battery and charger. Just this, and this one cost is not too much, but very useful. And also can make your customer very happy. So this one, do promotion, is very good items. Okay. Now we come back to check how about our glue gun. Okay, a glue gun in our daily work also very useful. We can glue item. Oh yeah, the glue already come out. You see? Yeah, we can stick stick something together. Stick up. Do artwork. More glue out. Glue out. The capacity is about 1 minute. 1 minute, 18 gram. It can melt 18 gram. This piece is about 35 gram. It means half. 1 minute. This glue gun can melt half glue for your work. I think for normal work, this is enough. You can see, so many, no limited. Okay, this is for the glue gun. Use the same battery, and now we check about the steel iron. Okay, many times if we connect to cable, just like this. If we connect just like this, it's easy. You see, even a twist looks tightly, but easy depart, easy takeoff. So, but now I think we can use this. No electric, just with the battery and this. Okay. Oh yeah. This iron, the power is similar. Our electric one, 40 watts. So you can see. About 40 watts. One, then another. Yeah. Even it's a power battery one, but it's powerful. Now we connect. Welding together. I'm not an electrician man, so one together. I need more skills. Okay, I see now. Already one together. Yeah, that's it. Already very tight. So this one also very useful. So today we introduce from the big machine to the small items. All this is very popular and useful in our daily life and work. So almost our work can be finished by our cordless tools. Today, no limited. Before, just a cordless tool. But today, we can have spray gun, circular saw, compressor, and even iron welder. All these daily life need, cordless tool can finish the work. It's just the same as today's topic, cordless, limitless. So, welcome our friends to watch our live show, and we hope in future you can choose more our total cordless tools for your daily work and your daily life use. Thanks again. Thanks to watching our live show, and please help us to follow us and share our total page. Hope to see you again next time. See you.